Hola, my name is Lisa Scove. The kids call me Profe Scove, and I am the Spanish 1 and 2 teacher here at Lockwood High School. The brand new building is amazing. If you didn't make it to the open house night and the grand opening, I really would love for you guys to come in for a tour sometime when we are available to do so with COVID and everything. It is an absolutely amazing building. So excited to have the kids back in the classroom. I have been married for 29 years. I have a couple of daughters, 27 and 23, and two dogs who are the love of my life, my Springers, Hank and Finn. They're amazing. I love to fish, camp, read, cook, dance, sing, although I don't sing well, but that's okay. And I love Spanish. I love anything Spanish, the culture, the food, the traditions, the celebrations, the music, everything. Conversation is one of my favorite things to do. So the kids will be talking a lot more this year. So this year, we're going to have no lockers. So the kids will have backpacks with them. So they should be able to be prepared coming to class. We often hear that they don't have anything to write with. And with a backpack, that shouldn't be a problem to make sure that they have pencils or pens in there to write with. It's a little harder during COVID. We have to sanitize everything that they borrow. So it would be a really good idea for them to have a good supply in their backpack so that they don't run out. We will be doing most everything on our Chromebooks, and they will be assigned a Chromebook in the classroom to use. Or they'll be assigned, I believe at the beginning of this particular semester, they're going to get a Chromebook in their first period class, and then they'll carry that throughout the day, and then it goes back to their first period teacher. So they will have a Chromebook at school. And we will be recording videos for them to watch how we teach the new concepts. And the goal is to send those out through Google Classroom on Monday, and then they will watch those videos. It's important that they watch those videos before they come in, because this is what's called flipping the classroom. So they will watch those videos when they are away from us, and then when they come into us, we have all of that time to work on those concepts together. So they're not working on something new all by themselves at home. And then I will assign a couple of assignments for them to do. One will be written, and one will be a spoken Flipgrid video where we'll be practicing with the Spanish every week. I'm also planning on doing a Google Meet where we will all get together as a class. So all my Spanish 1 and all my Spanish 2 kids, I would get together so that we can at least feel that community of, hey, this is my classroom at the school. So if they are first period and they have 8 kids and there's only 2 in the class, the day that they come in, they'll get to be in the classroom with all 8 students, which I think is pretty beneficial. They need that socialization as well. In my classroom, we have the most beautiful carpet, and because of this, I'm not going to allow any drinks other than water. I do not want them to have snacks, and they may not chew gum. Gum is always an issue. They pop it, they smack it, and they take it out and they put it under the table. And I just can't tell you how disgusting that is. So we're not going to have gum in the classroom. I'm going to be pretty firm on that. I'm so excited to have them back in the classroom. This has been a really crazy year, and I think that we all really appreciate the face-to-face and the routine of being able to go to school. So I'm really looking forward to teaching your kids, and I hope to visit with you all soon. If you have any questions or comments at any time during the semester, please email me and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I believe that we are in this together, raising these kids as a village, and I look forward to talking with you. Take care.